lahmacun. Evet, burada kuşbaşı var.
Ne çorbası? Nerede?
We are in Istanbul again, and in this video we are starting off with some local home-cooked food, warm and comforting soup and dolma. Then we sail to the Asian side of Istanbul to enjoy traditional tea and desserts. After that we go back for some fresh, crunchy and tasty lahmacun. After lahmacun it was time for some juicy and tasty kebab at another cozy spot in Istanbul. So let's begin. Behind me is a place called Emek Restaurant, and this place offers traditional home-cooked style Turkish food. Let's check them out. When you're in Istanbul and the previous day you had just too many doner kebabs, the next day this is kind of place that you want to find. Emek Restaurant from the outside maybe looks quite simple, but once you get inside it's quite nice, it's spacious, has nice sitting area, has these very interesting circular windows, and what's more important, they make and serve this home-cooked Turkish local food. And the food smells amazing and everything is fresh and daily prepared, and they have all the local classics. I ordered hashla, this is like a soup, but then it's stuffed with a huge chunk of beef, potato, carrot. Then I also ordered dolma, the stuffed peppers with meat rice, and I think this is yogurt on the side. And I also ordered a simple soup. But enough talk, let's start. Spoonful of this delicious looking vegetable. Nice, warm, pleasant and tasty, and this meat is cooked so well you can break it with your spoon. Meat is delicious, properly cooked, it's easy to chew, and the soup itself is acidic a bit, so I think they added a lemon beforehand, which I like. Perfect meal for a day like this, and I have to finish it quickly so my dolma doesn't get cold. But just before that, let's quickly try the other soup as well. Very nice, nutty flavor. I think this is a chickpea soup, also very tasty, very pleasant. This is the moment that I was waiting for. Dolma, the stuffed peppers, and they smell absolutely delicious. They're stuffed with this tasty, finely minced beef. There's some rice as well. Then this yogurt cools off the pepper and the ingredients. Very tasty, very comforting food. And I think this is going to be too much for me. I ate those soups. That one had a huge chunk of beef as well. I will give my best to try and finish these two stuffed peppers. For dessert, I got these beautiful looking traditional honey cakes. They're perfectly fresh, very, very crumbly. They're soaked in this sweet syrup. There's also that kind of taste of citrus as well. And they're topped with these walnuts. Perfect, simple cake. If you ask me, this was an excellent lunch, a proper home-cooked style food, and of course, a meal like this has to be finished with some Turkish chai. Cheers. We are near the famous Galata Tower, and I suppose all these restaurants here are for tourists only. we are off to the Asian part of Istanbul. Right away, things look a little bit different in Asian part of Istanbul. I decided to take a break at this very cozy, very pleasant cafe, and it has absolute traditional feel to it. It has very nice traditional interior, and they serve also the traditional copper pot Turkish tea, and you can order it for 2 people or 4 or more, and it consists from 2 parts. The bottom part which holds the hot water, and then this hot water keeps your tea warm for a long time. And I also got some snacks with it, some nuts, and I also ordered Sultan Tep, their signature dessert, and it's cream-based dessert with some strawberries and then topped with Belgian chocolate. Everything is freshly made. I passed just that area where they make cakes and it smells absolutely delicious, and this lady was actually making these Sultan Tep cakes, so I had to order one to try it. The chocolate is Belgian, but the whole approach, the whole idea is Turkish. Anyway, let's get warm with some tea. Cheers. Very nice, hot and soothing tea, and you really need plenty of Turkish chai, Turkish tea to overcome this cold and windy weather outside. Okay, time to try the cake as well. The cream at the bottom is quite light, it's not too sweet, but then the chocolate is properly heavy, a proper Belgian chocolate, thick, nice, delicious, and then this refreshing strawberry kind of to balance the things. Truly nice, cozy and relaxing spot, and I really enjoyed each moment over there, drinking that tea, that cake. That was perfect, nice and quiet. But now I'm heading back to the European side of Istanbul, as this evening we're gonna go for something special again. It's time to introduce this video's sponsor, Saily. Saily is a top-level eSIM provider, and what exactly is an eSIM? eSIM is a digital version of a SIM card. And why choosing Saily? Well, because you need to install Saily eSIM only once on your phone and you can use it whenever you want. They also have coverage in more than 200 countries worldwide. You can choose global, regional or local plan, and if you travel to more than one country, usually regional plan is a quite good idea. They also have 24-hour chat support. They also have integrated ad blocker, which saves a lot of data if you watch something online. And for me, whether I'm in Istanbul or near this frozen lake here, I always have stable Wi-Fi connection thanks to Saily, and I don't depend on any local SIM cards. Don't forget to use the QR code on the screen or the text code AlexMark for your 15% off on the first purchase. Thanks for your attention, and let's get back to our food tour. Behind me is a place called Barbar Taş Fırın, and they're famous for their Lahmacun and Pide. And this will be our quick stop before our final destination.
The best in Istanbul, very best.
Once you make your order, the chef starts working the dough, and he has this electric roller, this machine to help him create this extremely thin pastry. And the same pastry is used either for pide or lahmacun. The pide will get this long shape, and then it's going to be stuffed with cheese and some other toppings. This one is topped with meat, then also some cheese. It's going to get this long boat shape, and it's going to go straight into the oven. Well, for lahmacun he's using this fine paste made of minced lamb or beef, then plenty of onions, garlic, tomato and many spices. He needs to press hard into the pastry, and once the pastry is ready it's gonna go into the peel and then into the oven. Lahmacuns are coming out and they look and they smell delicious. One of them is mine and I can't wait to try it.
Evet, 3 tane malzeme. Kaşar mıydı?
3 lahmacun, 1 kaşarlı.
Tamam, bir de pastırma kaşar.
And here they're going to get decorated with some fresh parsley, tomatoes and lemon.
Evet, hamura kuşbaşı kaşarı.
My delicious looking lahmacun is on my table. I also got some ayran and I also got this beautiful looking pickled okra. Let's start. I will add some lemon on it, some parsley, slices of tomato. Let's go. Perfectly crunchy, very crispy, very thin and light dough, then this very tasty meat paste inside, then refreshing slice of tomato, parsley. This is a festival of flavors. I had to add this okra to the mix. Okra gives that very much needed acidity to the mix. Very simple yet amazing food. Again, perfectly baked, so thin, and I'm so happy that I have also this second half to finish. What I also like about this place, except this great food, is that they have these built-in heaters inside the table because the space is open, so it keeps your legs and feet warm. That was a proper delicious quick stop, but now we are heading to our final place to enjoy some more local food. We are at Antakya Kebab Asmali and we came here for some kebab, of course. Let's go. Hello. I got seated quite easily, and this is a nice, cozy, traditional looking place. They have extensive menu, any kind of Turkish grill that you desire, but I will go for the famous Adana Kebab, also a couple of sides, and then I'm gonna enjoy watching how it is being prepared. Adana Kebab is on the grill, followed by lavash bread, and it's gaining color quite quickly. This is a strong grill, and the meat is also not too thick. It's nicely spread on that skewer. Other things follow on the grill, such as this tomato and this long green pepper. And kebab is getting even better color now. It's more brownish, and soon enough this is going to be ready. My amazing looking Adana Kebab is here, and I cannot explain to you how good it smells. The beautiful smell of some amazing grilled meat. It's accompanied by some sides on the same plate, this beautiful looking grilled vegetable. I also got a side salad, yogurtu patlıcani or yogurt and eggplant. I also got traditional drink from Adana as well. This is a beetroot juice, and let's start. This is some gorgeous looking kebab. The meat is very tasty. It's also a little bit crumbly. It was grilled so well that it really falls apart. It's not too salty. Let's go now with this lavash bread, some tzatziki and also kebab. Lavash bread is nice and thin, warm, and then it's soaked from one side in these meat juices. Let's go now with this spicy tomato spread and the kebab. Again, that beautiful crumbly kebab, and then the spread is mildly spicy. It really gives perfect taste to this bite, but I want to try this yogurt and eggplant. Yogurt and eggplant salad is my kind of salad. Nice, refreshing yogurt, and then I suppose eggplant was grilled. That beautiful texture, beautiful taste. But let's try now the turnip juice, the shalgam. This was a huge surprise for me. I never tried a drink like this. This is probably the most original drink that I tried. It's a bit spicy. It's not fizzy, but almost. And it has that beautiful beetroot or turnip taste. But let's go now with this ultimate combination. All the sauces from the plate on lavash bread, Adana Kebab, grilled pepper, and grilled tomato. Beautiful mix of flavors, also quite juicy because of all these sides, but the most prevalent is the smoky taste of Adana Kebab and also the spiciness of this green pepper. This was some amazing food, all the tastes and flavors from that plate with the kebab and sides, but also that drink, the shalgam, really surprised me. I never tried anything like it. This was a perfect way to end this evening and this Istanbul food tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next time, cheers!